Namaste. Hello, my dear beautiful Librans. How are you all doing? I welcome you all to my channel. This is Shivansh. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. All right. And Libra, I am going to do your love reading. Okay. And we will see what kind of energies to expect coming your way. We have a new moon, so expect the unexpected coming your way. Some kind of dreams and desires manifestation, or you can set up these dreams and desires during this new moon, and by full moon it may come and manifest in your life, right? Okay, so I'm going to pull one card as a connecting energy for both of you, and this card just jumped out while I was saying this. I saw the Fool card while shuffling, so I believe that somebody is going to take a leap of faith. I don't know if I have said Libras. Well, I'm so sorry. Actually, this is for Scorpio, okay? Scorpios, I don't know if why I said Libra, if I have said Libra, because just now I completed the reading for Libra, and possibly I had to have this Libra coming up, or possibly you may be dealing with a Scorpio Libra, so you can see the Libra reading as well, okay, Scorpios. And I see out here the star. The connecting energy for both of you is very, very healing, soothing, and very cherishing, nourishing kind of an energy. And what I feel is that the masculine will be this side, feminine will be this side. Both of you are getting some kind of divine healing in your soul level, in your heart, body, mind, soul space, okay? And that's what the star represents, that you are becoming a star, or somebody is seeing you as a star for the hard work, the dedication that you have put in. I'm sorry, Scorpios, if I'm really fumbling like this. I'm having hard time struggling to speak in communication, all right? So excuse me for that, but I had to do this reading because work will not stop. Somebody needs to hear this message, and I always go by the downloads that I get from the universe, all right? So I hope this reading is going to resonate with you. Please take whatever resonates for you, Scorpio, and leave the rest, okay? So let's see what is coming up here. So I have seen Fool card. I have started to rearrange certain things here. So I believe with the Star card out here, when I saw the Fool card, somebody is taking some kind of leap of faith. Somebody is seeing some kind of leap of faith. Somebody is getting a lot of healing in their mental space, heart space, body space. All right. So for the feminine, we got courage. I hope you can see this card. For the feminines, we got courage. And for the masculine, we got Scorpios, beyond illusion. Perfect. Such a beautiful card to show up here, you know. And if you see, both of this card has a similar depiction out here. And behind this card, there is a big star, the illumination, the enlightenment, the light coming up from the back, right? Divine has his back for this person. And out here, this person's, the third eye is absolutely activated, aligned with the universe. So with this card out here, what I feel is that either while you are watching this reading, somebody is going through that transformation, that huge wake-up call in their life, or they must have gone through that wake-up call, possibly when they realize that they are losing out on something, this time big, all right? And out here, what I feel for you with the courage, it's the 8th number, all right? And this is 20. Beyond illusion, 20 is judgment, right? So if you're seeing 2020, then this person is getting a huge wake-up call. It's like to see things beyond illusion, beyond any set beliefs and patterns of living their life that the way they have been living for so long, and taking that leap of faith, right? In this relationship, getting that nudge from the universe. Universe has their back, you know, trying to help them see things from a different perspective. And this wake-up call is going to take a toll on this person, like 360 degree. Otherwise, yeah, it's a soul calling, right? When it's a soul connection, it's a soul tie. And with the star card, I truly feel this is a twin flame dynamic. If you are interested with the levels that you see, and out here it's courage, all right? And in order to go through this experience, to be honest, in simple, you really had to have a lot of strength, courage, determination, strong will within you, feminine. And what I feel for you, Scorpions, that you have absolutely put in that hard work, sincerity, dedication, courage, determination, strong will to stand your ground, take care of your life, get all the healing in your life, all right? See things from a different perspective altogether, keep charging ahead in your life, whereas someone else is absolutely now, after you have transformed, you have shifted your energy from your love interest to yourself, and you are charging ahead in your life. You have made certain guidelines and certain rules to follow, with your own terms and conditions. Somebody is seeing all this, and now somebody is getting this huge wake-up call, because if they don't take a stand now, they are going to lose an opportunity with you. And they are seeing that, they are seeing things beyond in illusion now. They are getting that judgment call, sudden epiphany, sudden realization, tower moments, that moments this person is going through. Because when they go through that, shed their old skin, that's when they are going to get the healing. That's when they are going to transform into a star, right? Where they will bring illumination, bring light, healing to other people around them. So this is what I feel, that this person is going through some kind of big nudges from the universe, huge wake-up call, okay, to see things beyond different dimension. And I saw the Page of Cups. I believe it is all about extending their emotions, their cup full of love to somebody. All right, while I was explaining this, that's when I saw that card. And you see, you will be surprised to see this. All right, just give me a moment. Let me pull up some more card. See what else universe has to say for Scorpio. Please, universe, bring the right message in for their love life. What you have to say for their love life. And Scorpios, please, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, okay? Your one subscription will truly mean a lot for me, all right, dear? Please. Okay, I have been asked to stop. I don't know why. Okay, you see we got star. Another confirmation, validation for this reading that some major healing is coming in both of your life, in both of this relationship dynamic, the dynamic that you guys are in right now. You both are going to get that healing, all right, for that. We got Hanged Man, two major arcanas, Beyond Illusion and Hanged Man. These two are like, when you are in this position, that's when you are going to get that illumination, will see things from a different perspective. And out here we got the card Beyond Illusion. That means somebody has been getting that nudge. They are in a hangman kind of a situation to see things from a different perspective with the judgment call, right? To take the stand as far as this relationship goes. They cannot be just playing around, running around. You have gone through a lot of patience, absolutely, 7 to the 8. You have gone through a lot of perseverance. Your patience will definitely get paid off. That's what I feel. But during the process, you have gone through this kind of an energy where you felt abandoned, left out in the cold, completely full of remorse, no emotional fulfillment, no joy, no happiness, nothing. And what I feel for you is that, Scorpions, whoever has tuned in to this reading, divinely guided to watch this reading, what I feel is that with all the courage and determination and devotion that you have shown to empower yourself, to change your life, to transform your life, when you started to see things from a different perspective altogether, you have absolutely got that healing in your heart, body, mind, soul. Still, there are certain spaces in your, in your 3D body, in your mental space, in your heart space. Some kind of emotions are still triggering you because you are feeling absolutely no joy inside, no happiness inside. You have been waiting and waiting and waiting. If you are today came to this reading to accidentally just happened to came to this reading. It's just that the reading is saying that your patience will get paid off. Your time of having this remorse, this regret, this lack of joy and contentment within is going to go out of your life, because we started the reading with the star card, right? So you are getting healing. I believe both of you are going to get some kind of healing in both of your relationship dynamic, in your heart, body, mind, soul. All right, and you both will come into such an alignment with this card. If you see, you both will come into such an alignment. These two are equal, all right, and one is gold and one is silver. So it is equal give and take, equal share, equal amount of respecting, reciprocating these emotions. And with this star card, what I feel is that somebody is going to bring that healing towards you, all right? No more regret, no more remorse, no more feeling left out in the cold, all right? Waiting and waiting, not getting any reward, not feeling like you are harvesting anything in your life. But as somebody is now seeing the things from a different dimension, different perspective, different eyes, with the hangman, with the star, with the beyond illusion, with the star, somebody is going to majorly transpire in your love dynamic, okay? And when I was about to shuffle, this card just jumped out, so I will go with that card from the universe. All right, let me read out this card to you, Scorpions. I go where you go. Tell me, are you finding that the occasional stranger has a crush on you? That for words you have almost mindlessly chosen, hearts broken too long begin to heal, that eyes sometimes well up with tears when it's time to say goodbye. Remarkable, our findings exactly. Your divinity is showing. How beautiful. The universe is saying your divinity is showing out to somebody. I go where you go. And now that somebody is seeing your divinity, somebody is seeing you as a star, as a wonderful human being with full of strength, courage, strong will, determination, devotion, that light within you that you carry, my dear Scorpions, feminine, somebody is now seeing that and is now going to take that leap of faith, take that one stand, and they will go where you go, all right? I mean, this destiny is meant to cross path. You guys are not over yet. You guys are not done. You have not got a closure that will heal you in some way, shape or form, Scorpio. So kudos to you for the hard work that you have put in. But my dear Scorpios, your patience are going to pay off. If you have been hearing this multiple times, you don't know when would be the last time that you hear from somebody that your patience are going to get paid off. No more regret, no more guilt, no more remorse. Something beautiful is coming your way with the 2 star cards out here. This is a confirmation for you, and it is saying the festival creates an energetic blueprint for a fantastic party or event. Absolutely, we have Valentine's Day coming up. You never know, somebody may profess their love to you. That's why we have the festival, events, parties coming up. Maybe you are taking some time out with your friends, going out, having some party, get together with your collective friends, and you are trying to just live your life at this point of time, no matter whatever has happened in your love dynamic. But you have believed into this relationship. You have given out your best with the 2 star card, with the courage, with beyond illusion and hangman, 2 major arcanas. So what I see is that major outcome is going to come towards you, bringing you a lot of joy, peace, harmony, tranquility within you. All right, balancing, harnessing both of your energy. That's what I feel for you. Okay, I'm going to pull a couple of cards from my love oracle deck, and we will see what you have to say to your DM and what DM has to say to you. Okay, the viewers, let's see. I'll pull 4 cards for you and 5 cards for the masculines. All right, whatever he has to say, you can always flip the side. All right, but I'm reading as like this is my masculine and this is my feminine. Okay. I'm sorry about that. Somebody is having hard time speaking or speaking out their truth. I see J of club. You are funny. He sees you funny, or you are saying this to your masculine, your love interest. You see him funny. Maybe he has sense of humor, have a lot of passion, drive. All right, you're saying you are funny, and J could be a name or middle initial, last name, however it works for you. Okay, 6 of diamond. You give me enough space. He's saying that you give him enough space, and he respect you for that, and or you are saying this to him that he gives you space, however it works for you. But somebody knows it deep within that they will have to be fair, they will have to be equal give and take, equal amount of sharing their emotions, equal thoughts. There will have to be something, there is something that is imbalanced. This person absolutely knows it. All right, whoever has left this side of the energy like this person knows that something is injustice, and you also may be feeling that something has been done unfair to you. All right, and you are looking for a justice, and because of which maybe J stands for justice, J stands for judgment, right? So we got judgment out here, we got justice out here, we got courage out here, we got star, we got hangman, star. Come on, all the major arcanas in the dice, and I'm telling you something major is going to transpire in your life. With the 6 of diamonds, 6 of pentacles, something is going to be fair and just for you. Whoever has done injustice to you, justice will be served to you, because somebody is getting some divine interventions happening in their life, getting the nudge to speak their heart out or lose this opportunity. 4 of diamonds. Absolutely. 4 of cups, 4 of diamonds. If you are saying 4 4 7 7 6 6, that's a confirmation for you. All right, you and I have so much in common. You see it that you both have so much in common, and possibly that's the reason you both feel such an intense connection with each other that you are not able to let go. No matter how much you try, you just find your way back to each other. No matter whoever has said what, but you still guys connect. You may have 1 or 2 odd conversation once in a week or something like that, then again separation, but you feel that pull, that nudge within you. 2 of diamonds, 2 of pentacles, juggling, right? You listen to me well. So that's what I'm saying, that you both may have very common things between both of you. Similarities, familiarities, knowing from the past. You might have known each other from the past, so what I feel for you is that with the numbers out here, what represents is that my feminine, with 4 of cups, 4 of diamonds, 4 of pentacles, you are absolutely closed off. You are really juggling a lot. You know that something has been unfair to you, and you are waiting for a justice to be served to you. And I believe that with the beyond illusion, hangman, and the star card, and the courage, all major arcana, you see, these are all major arcana. So with these major arcanas, what I feel is that some kind of big transformation is going to take place in your relationship dynamic, and this is possibly maybe a 360 degree which may change your life forever. All right, and from here you may start a new life. You will no longer be juggling, no longer will be closed off, no longer will be emotionally drained out. Everything will be fair and just in this relationship, and that's what I feel with the star card. So possibly from new moon to full moon, something major may take place. We got 4, so if you are seeing 4 4 4, that's a confirmation. Whoever is this side, this person is saying that you are his soulmate or her soulmate. Okay, 4 of hearts, that's 4 of cups. We got 4 of cups twice. Ace of cup, wow, you are my strength. He's saying that you are his strength. If you are not there, then he loses all his control from his life, and that is what is triggering him. Okay. He took you for granted. He took you as a joker, and now he's feeling like a joker in his own heart space. All right, but this joker comes in his or her power, can absolutely be a game changer, right? And what I feel is that with that beyond illusion, with this joker card, this person is coming in his power to bring some kind of positivity towards this relationship, instead of going through tower moments after tower moments, thundering bolt kind of dynamic that you guys have been back and forth all through this time. Now something is going to absolutely get change with this Joker card, because Joker card coming in his power with the Ace of Cup, I mean, come on. He can be a game changer and may approach you with his Ace of Cup, the cup that you deserve. All right, the cup that you deserve, the cup that is yours only. All right, and we got Six of spade, that's Six of Swords. You make me a positive person. He's saying that because of you, he is a wonderful human being today. He is a positive human being. He is acknowledging the kind of love and emotion that you have shown towards him, and now he is getting into his full power, getting into the feminine side of him, bringing out all the courage and determination, strong will and conviction towards him, so that he can take one stand to bring that Ace of Cup towards you, to move towards calmer water. And not only that we got Ace of not only that we got Ace of Cup, we got also Ace of Wands, right? So Ace of Wands, it says you do things to make me happy. That is A of Club, right? And A of Heart, that's Ace of Wands and Ace of Cup. So what I feel is that a new beginning is awaiting for you with your love interest of your life. All right, no more closed off, no more waiting game, no more back and forth kind of an energy, no more Joker kind of or taken for granted kind of an energy, no more feeling of regret and remorse, not feeling content within. I feel that with two aces out here and with the Six of Swords, Six of Spade, somebody is seeing that you are a soulmate and becoming a game changer to change the entire dynamic of this relationship, bringing you ultimate healing peace within. All right, Scorpios, that's what I feel for you. Honestly, I'm feeling so positive, my dear beautiful Scorpions. If you are dealing with Libra, or you are dealing with an Aquarius, if you're dealing with a Pisces or Scorpio, like yours, you can check those reading as well. You may have some messages there too. But what I see out here, as far as from my perspective, with the cards out here, you have gone through a lot of testing time, whoever is the viewer right now. And now, whatever you have gone through to be here wherever you are today to watch this reading, somebody is absolutely going through the same experience right now, and it's like kind of a mirroring energy this side, what I feel. All right, which will bring a lot of healing, different way of looking at things, change of perspective, and coming into his or her power and taking the leap of faith and bringing some kind of party or event kind of a situation where you guys can respect each other, love each other, and care for each other, right? That's what I feel. Okay, so I hope it resonated with you, my dear beautiful Scorpions. Please take whatever resonates for you and leave the rest. And please accept this energy in your life, because what you believe, that's what you manifest, right? So if you believe to this reading, whatever I say to you, that things are going to work out, your patience are going to get paid off, no more of heartache and pain, no more of regret and remorse and sorrows, right? So if I'm saying this, adopt this instead of going against it, right? That it is not going to happen. Yeah, if you are saying it is not going to happen, it is never going to happen. But if you are hearing me out today, because if you are hearing me out also, this is not a coincidence, because nothing in this universe is a coincidence, right? So if you are hearing me out today, this is a message for you. Universe is saying that you have done the work, my dear, with all your courage. You have stood through the test of time, when you came to this reading. And now somebody is absolutely going to follow you, because I go where you go. Universe is saying somebody is going to follow you wherever you go. They will also follow you. All right, so I hope it resonated with you. And with the two aces, Ace of Wands and Ace of Cup. Amazing. This is truly amazing. A game changer is coming to take you towards the calmer water, to take you towards a calmer water, to start a new beginning with you, and bringing a lot of healing and tranquility into both of your relationship dynamic. All right, to take this relationship into a new horizon, new zone altogether. Okay. Thank you so very much, Scorpios. I hope you liked it. Please take whatever resonates for you and leave the rest. Until we meet again, I'm sending across much love and light to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Stay blessed and stay in peace.